I'd like to invite you to the next session of Meditation Mindset Mastery. That's my 21-day, twice a day meditation accountability group. And this will be the third cycle, and it's just incredible and beautiful and awe-inspiring, the community that's growing around practicing meditation every day for twice a day for 21 days. We meet in a private group on Facebook. We also have twice weekly community connection calls. I'll be leading yoga nidra and guided meditation. And we have just an amazing community of kind and supportive people. So if you're feeling the call to go within, I invite you to join our group. Take a deep dive into the practice and let yourself actually experience a meditation practice, right? 21 days of meditating twice a day, you will have a good sense of what meditation does for you. If we only meditate a couple of times, we'll really never sense the impact of this powerful practice. The link to sign up is in this email. We start on the 1st of October at 8:30 a.m. Eastern or 5:30 a.m. Pacific. And all the information about this group is in the in the webpage. Just click the link below.